Hello guys, how are you? Today I am going to show how to make a paper envelope of origami size. First of all, you can fold it in triangle and always don't forget to press the bottom. Take half to the end of this line to make it easier. But I am showing the easy way only, not that way that is too difficult. Now you can fold it from here, then you can fold it from here also. You can press it with the glue if it's not sticking, but I don't have a glue right now, so sorry, I cannot press. And you can put a message inside, then you can close, and when you'll open you can see inside. Okay guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, you can do likes or subscribes. Okay, bye.